So welcome back students. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a duplicate of a particular object. It can be a human being, it can be any object or any animal. So just for explaining purpose, I have captured some video. So I'll be sharing you first video. So directly I'll be taking the video which I have already captured. So I've captured one video here. Just see. So in this video, what I have done, firstly, I'll just lower the voice. You know very well how from where to lower the voice. If you'll see this video, so Omika is standing on the right side, and just for I think 10 seconds she's standing here, and then she'll be going towards other side. You could see. Okay, and now she will go that side, and then from here she will do some kind of acts as was told by me. So you can also do the same thing as you are capturing, but you have to make it clear that your camera should not move here and there. Either you can use tripod if you have, otherwise you have to place your camera somewhere at a firm place. Don't hold the camera in your hand, otherwise this effect will not come. Okay, so this is completed. So what I have to do, first of all, now I have used this place. You can use any place. I prefer you to shoot this in open area so that proper light should be there. So what I'll do, I have just seen this area, like here it is little darker. So this white area here, it is little darker. Where I'll see where it is darker, I'll just select it, and then where the scissor is there, I'll just select the scissor, and then trim to the left of playhead. I'll just select this, so that white portion should be deleted. Then I'll take OK. So I'll see till where she is standing. Till where? Till this side. 17 seconds. Okay, till here. So what I'll do, I'll click on scissor once again to cut this, and I'll click on split at playhead. So I'll select split at playhead. I'll select this one, and then again I'll start moving. Now this portion in which she is moving from right side to left side, I'll have to delete. So where she is standing, okay, she's standing here. Here I'll select, and I'll click on scissor again. Now this time I'll click on trim to left of playhead. So means in this particular clip, so it will delete the left part. Okay. So you could see here she is towards the right, and here she is towards the left. So what I'll do now, the next option, what I'll do, I'll select this clip, and then where there are three dots, you could see here duplicate as layer. You could see one duplicate layer at the bottom. Okay. So then what you could do, one option is there along with scissor. You can select this, make it to full size, right side of the off, click it, and then you have to put finger at the bottom layer. You have not to select, only put the finger, press it, and just move it towards the left in the starting. Okay, so it's looking something like this. Now there are two layers. Now what you have to do further, The bottom layer you will select, and then you will select the second layer. This is the layer option, this option. Split screen option, and then you will select at the bottom left like this. Split screen means the total screen is divided into two parts. I hope it is clear to you what I want to show you. Earlier it was something like this. I made it full and then I made it into split screen left side. What it has done, the second layer it has divided into two parts so that the bottom layer can be seen. Because the background is same, so hardly you will notice. Then I'll click on tick. So it's looking something like this. Actually, what we have done, we have split the screen. So layer is different. And then you can play. You can play, and then while playing, so it's a trick. We could see duplicate. Same duplicates. Even you can make 3, but you have to decide the corner of a room or of a area where you can show. So my first screen is still this part, so I can't increase. So the top one, this part I'll delete. So in KineMaster, whatever part or whatever is the length of the first part, the second layer will by default it will also be of the same length. Matlab it can't increase the length of the second layer. So if we'll play this, you could see duplicates are there. You can act, even you can speak with each other. You have to just adjust the timing. And when you will be making your own recording, I want to see that at least some conversation should be there. Even you can change the clothes. Okay, so I hope it is clear what I am doing here. Now just to increase the beauty, we can add some music in this. So I'll click on audio. So like I am having one in songs, songbird. I'll just insert, I'll add it, click on tick. One more thing I want to tell you, if you feel like the size is not okay, means gate is there at the back, it's not matching, then by clicking on this, click on off, you could adjust it by your finger so that it should be of same size. And the success for this tutorial is that your camera should not move here and there. Camera एक जगह पे ही होना चाहिए आपका. Either you can place near the wall. Don't hold in your hands. Don't let anybody hold the camera in your hand and then you can have your shooting. No, you have to place it somewhere. Like I'm using tripod. You can also use tripod. And I'll show you in this tutorial only. I'll show you. Suppose I want to add this. I want to show how the tripod looks like. I'm having this like tripod here. So I'm having this tripod, and I am using it sometimes for capturing the videos. But it's not mandatory that you should have tripod. You can just put the mobile somewhere. Okay. So I'm finishing my tutorial here only, and I hope you will make the best. And I hope exporting, you know very well how to export. Because this is the latest one, I'll click on the right side on the top, and then I'll export, and from here I'll export. But as you have to send on the app, you can make it to 480, and from 480 you have to move this that white dot towards the low side, so that a movie should be of very small size. But I don't want, if you are just sharing it on WhatsApp or something, you can or for your personal use, you could use FHD 1080. Okay, and then you can increase the size also. At the bottom it will show you how much size this video will be, and then you have to click on export. I hope this tutorial is very much clear to you.